Dear Wisdomizers, welcome back to another episode of the Wisdomized Trader. Here we take advantage of what has been going on in the crypto space and taking advantage of the trends that are happening in front of our eyes and minds. We all know that cryptocurrency market is a highly volatile market, and God, this thing happens to be changing fast in front of our eyes, and it takes a lot of effort to actually keep up with the pace. There's lots of going on every single day. Something happens, some new protocol launches, new token pumps 20,000%, and new memes are going to be released, and you have no clue about how many percentages you can make on this market, but also you can lose. So, with this in mind, we are here to keep you updated in the latest trends and give you this advantage that you need through relevant information and through wisdomized intelligence, which helps you to make well-informed, rational decisions that you cannot miss and that give you a clear statistical probabilistical edge with this intelligence, using this intelligence every single day, just like I am. You are top of the game, you're ahead of everyone else, and you are most likely to become a winner of this cycle that we are currently in and that will probably continue. But first, we need to get back to the channel in BTC. As you can see, the market has not been too generous with us recently, and it is obviously showing some signs of weakness, especially after Michael Saylor has bought another 500 million worth of BTC in real time as we speak. This came out just now, and not too crazy reaction towards the upside movement, right? So we are actually out of this channel now and having this first injection point of this 50 EMA that's trading around 93,000. And I am expecting a more upside from here, regardless of taking out this channel low. So effectively, what we can do now is we can just extend the trend line and make it a bit wider. And this channel is still for me in place. It does not change until we will close below the channel impulsively, and this would mean that we would take out the 50 EMA and we would close around 86 levels. Then the market structure will change, but even then we can continue higher. But short term, this is a very crucial area now, 93,000, and I believe that as mentioned many times before, the Christmas is going to be relatively slow and there is not much movement to be expected. The market is more likely to range than it is not. And as you can see, BTC acts as a hedge against holding dollar and holding all the risky assets in the world. So effectively, this slowly and steadily becomes a world, another world currency. And as we can see that 58% of whole market capitalization is in this behemoth. And this means only this, that this is the asset that is the most bought and held by large institutional players. And I am expecting this to stay in this region for quite a bit of time now. 58% looks like this will hold for at least another week or so. But we actually have a clear rejection here from 59 and 60. So this could also change in the upcoming week or so. But I expect the range to be somewhere around 58 to 60% as we speak in the next week or so. I don't expect anything major to happen. But what we can have in terms of changes is that the market of altcoins will change, and we have actually here the latest cryptos on Wisdomize radar that are potentially can give us an edge. And we have here actually some Christmas related cryptos, and obviously crypto Christmas is coming, and we are going to see a lot of Christmas related cryptos coming up in the short term, and this would basically mean that we can also drive another narrative of Christmas cryptos to the upside. And some of them are already on the platform, the first page of the platform, like for example Shibmas, but this is too small of a market cap for me to actually consider this something that I would personally want to buy, and I am only giving you ideas that I am personally going to buy as well. And just by looking at this wise logic, I didn't see any any cryptos based on market cap that I would personally want to buy. But however, Uranus was actually tagged in a Telegram group there's a KOL who actually gave out this, and it seems like they have a docs team and a good Mars narrative. So they are positioning themselves as another meme coin that is going to Uranus instead of the moon. So let's dive into and see what's happening here. Uranus Live. So 1.5 million market cap. And the all-time high was about 7 million, which could give us a little bit to work with. So they have 3,800 holders, and holder distribution is relatively fine, except that the main address holds 5.36%. But we need always to see what's the ratio in bubble map. So we really want to see the fair distribution of funds, that no one is holding too much in the whole sort of bubble maps. And this is something that we need to be taking care of now in this moment, but it doesn't really hold. So based on this chart, I would say that this could run and has a good upside to hit its all-time high when the market picks up the momentum, but it's currently slow, so we don't really have any major expectations. It's just preparing ourselves for the upcoming crypto bull run that will probably continue in New Year's. But let me just write this down, because I'm going to share this with the community members. And also, if you are not in the community just yet, then I'm sharing all this information also in the community. So keep an eye on this. And Uranus would be something that I would be keeping an eye on, because it has been on the social radar for many times, just as Snake Whiff Hat has been on the top screen of the Wisdom as Intelligence. So these two I am watching closely every single day. Snake Whiff Hat is a really amazing community play that is probably going to outperform a lot of other projects in the long run. It's considered just as if Whiff Hat, the Whiff in itself. So there is a snake year coming up, 2025, and this looks like it's going to be something that we can capitalize on. And again, you need to be early. You can't be just, oh, this thing pumps and now I'm gonna enter. You want to be early because you do not know when exactly these major moves are going to be happening, and you want to be prepared for them, not just react. You want to be early, and then everyone else will react, but you will be already there inside of this trade. So. Um, Obviously, I am not looking at anything below 1 million market cap because it just does not make too much sense to be buying anything that's below 1 million, because this would mean that you are most likely to be scammed or rugged, because 99.9% of anything that is trading below 1 million is going to zero, because there are so many token launches every single day that it's almost impossible to be keeping an eye on this. And here we have also agent layer that has been actually uh, on our main page for many times now, and this keeps on popping up here every now and then. So it's two times two x from all-time high, and it could be something, but we need to obviously look a bit more on agent layer. We need to understand what is happening with this project and what is this all about. So really want to nail this down. It looks good. So there is agent related. I mean, just based on the okay, so we need to agent layer based on the website, like a quick check. It looks like something that we can play with. I think this could be okay. Tarot AI. Wow. Okay, this looks good. I think this could run because tarot is also part of basically a um, meme culture. If it makes you laugh, then just buy it, and that's probably gonna run better than any other crypto. But I think it's actually quite relevant to have agent layer as potential play, because it has something to do with agents, which is already a big sign. It's two times from all-time high. It's relatively new token. Okay, it did. I think I would give a bit of time for it to come to this low of 40, and then I would possibly buy, because there is a strong area as well, even though on-chain trading, but it's actually also on Gate.io, so it could do well. So three suggestions or three calls from my end. Let's see how they go. I will start making a public journal as well that we can come back to. And I will start journaling every single trade that we are doing now here in this live market. And let's see how this goes. So starting from today, we're going to have a better overview of how these calls are actually performing in real time, and I think it's going to be good. So looking forward for this. Anything AI agent, you're golden. So yeah, let's see how this goes, and see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching, and see you soon at your service as always.